Well, this problem is really extremely simple for somebody who is familiar with scripting and familiar with scripting BBEdit or TextWrangler specifically. But for somebody who's never really scripted using Applescript before, it can be a completely intimidating process. So let's try to do something about that. Okay, so we'll put some text in, and we'll put a couple of quote characters in. Now we'll launch the Applescript editor. Okay, now we'll record, switch back, and we will rewrap this, and as you can see, it created some quote characters, which is not something that we want. Okay, so we'll undo that. Now we'll stop our recording process. I'll get rid of that undo. Compile it so we can see it. Now you see it's rewrap quoted text. And various other parameters. And according to Rich, all we had to do was change that to hard wrap. There it is. Run it, and you can see that now that quote character was ignored and hard wrap was done. And we're able to set the width parameter of that, for instance, and various other parameters. So it's just not really very difficult. You save this as an Applescript. You go to the Applescript menu, open the scripts folder. Yeah. So back to that. Now we can easily get to there by dragging and dropping like that. So now we'll just give it a name like hard wrap. Okay. Now hard wrap. Ta-da, there it is. And if we want to, we can come to the keyboard, or excuse me, the menus and shortcut scripts, hard wrap, and assign it a keyboard shortcut. So it's just that easy. Activate is not needed when you run it from the TextWrangler script menu, so we'll change that. And I guess that's it for now.